Welcome back to Cardano Trading, everybody. Just a quick update video here on what's going on today, guys. Just a bit of a different video. Many people have been asking how to take a long position and how to make money trading in a margin account. What I'm going to do is teach you how to do so. So as we can see here on the daily, Cardano's been trading in that 1.60 to 1.70 range, maybe even a little bit higher there. So what you would do is wait for it to hit the bottom. As you guys can see here on the trend line, you would take it from the bottom and long it to a higher high, which would be from the 1 hour chart. A higher high would be from right here to, let's just say, about the 1.68 level if you guys want to take a short, quick trade. Or even if, let's just say, you wanted to go the other way and place a sell order, for example, you could do it from this level here all the way down to wherever it would have came from at the time being. So what we would look for in a long position would be, let me zoom out here on the 4 hour chart. We want to catch it. We want it to break through a consolidation period like here in order for us to get a nice accurate position. However, if we are taking a day trade, we would want to move with the market conditions on the day. As you guys can see here on the daily chart, we do have an ascending triangle formation. This is very, very bullish for any type of trading formation. If you saw this as a trader, you would look at it and go, okay, you already know it's going to be an uptrend within the next couple of days, maybe in the next couple of weeks. So then I would look back on the hour chart before I'm taking any trades just to see where the direction of the market is going. Flip back over to the 15-minute chart here. This will tell you where the market's going in the next 15 minutes. This will be your best friend if you are day trading. However, since we are taking a longer position, the 4 hour chart and the daily will be our best friends. What I'll do is I'll incorporate some screenshots of some previous long positions that I did take and they were successful, and I'll put them in this video. Like always, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you can give us a like, comment, subscription, that'd be greatly appreciated. And like always, we do teach you how to trade Cardano and crypto every single day. Happy trading.